Hey guys, it's me Jake, and I have another video, and today I am back. And so, as you guys know, in the last two videos, I was playing Bomb Survival with my friend Bridget, but today, Bridget had to leave. We were going to film deathrun, and I said I was going to film deathrun in the last video, but she had to go. So, but I'm still going to play some deathrun for you guys. But Bridget's not here, but, I forgot your name. Hold up. She can't. Okay, so you saw me join Lola's Spammer, right? As you guys know, that's Lola's account. This person that I'm about to play with shares an account with her. Shares an account with her, and she can't talk in real life, but she's over there. She can't talk in real life, but she can talk only in the chat. So I'm gonna ask her what her name is. This is her. See, it's in Bridget's account, but it's really her. She can't talk in real life, but she's gaming right now. Chat in the chat. What is your name? Because she can only chat in the chat. So let's see what she says. Cloudy. So her name is Cloudy. She's only going to chat in the chat. And we're going to play some deathrun, Cloudy, right? See it? She said yeah in the chat. Okay, yeah, we're gonna be playing some deathrun. So yeah. Remember, if you want a shout out, go to the last video and you'll find out how to get a shout out. And yeah, I guess today we're just gonna play some deathrun. So let's do it. So I'm setting a timer for how long I'm gonna film, and we're gonna be filming for 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes on the clock. Cloudy, let's do this. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna wait in the lobby till it's time. 'Cause why not? She said place.
Only 1 minute left on the clock.
I don't care. She said place your flag. What does that mean? What does that mean? Cloudy, please chat in the chat what place your flag means. Oh, okay, yes, I'll place my flag. Let's go, Ice Cavern. How do I, place flag. I placed my flag on the Ice Cavern. On the Ice Cavern. Someone said hi, Low Spatter, but it's not Bridget. They think it's Bridget, but it's actually Cloudy. Cloudy, you should probably say hi to them and tell her it's not Bridget. Well, you should probably say, Cloudy said hi, but you should probably tell, it's not Bridget, it's Cloudy. You should probably tell them that. Hold up, someone's opening my door. Oh! It was just an alarm. It was my bad. Wait, okay, I'm going Jurassic Volcano. Place. Okay, it looks like Cloudy is going to the Jurassic Volcano as well.
Flying to Poison Sky Ruin. Get ready. 3.
I'm ready.
2. 1. Run.
Run. Okay, the bridge is going to fall. Yep, I knew it. Cloudy, how are you doing? She chat in the chat, good.
Checkpoint reached.
How do I instant karma? Hold up, how do I get up? Oh, wow. How are you doing, Cloudy, over there? Doing good? Okay. jumped too early, Cloudy. I died. Cloudy, I died. Cloudy, I died.
Checkpoint reached.
Becky. Oh, it's Cloudy. Cloudy, did you win? Oh, she said in the chat now. Well, there's always the next time, Cloudy. Should we go place our flag? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go Jurassic Volcano. I already placed my flag.
Just 3 runners left.
How do you think those 3 runners will do, Cloudy? Those 3 Cloudys left. Oh, Cloudy has her headphones on. Like, it's kind of funny. If you guys want a face reveal for Cloudy, you'll have to hit.
Only 1
You'll have
minute
to
left
hit
on the clock.
50 likes on this video. 50 likes and we'll do a face reveal for Cloudy. Oh, she said good. They're probably pros. Yes, Cloudy, do you want to do a face reveal if this video gets 50 likes? Oh, she said okay. Guys, there's going to be a loud stuff. Not a loud stuff, guys. My dad's friend is over. My dad's friend is over. OMG-ness. Hi. Oh.
Rumbling on to
Jurassic Volcano time. Let's go.
You played that. I was going to say, I have a Wizard of Oz.
Alright, guys. Let's do it.
2, 1, run!
Oh, wait. Please say the... Never mind.
Checkpoint reached.
Oh, everyone's stopping here. Oh! Oh no! Oh, I was 2 in the middle. Cloudy, are you doing good? Here, we should probably spectate Cloudy. Oh, wait, Cloudy! Cloudy killed me! Cloudy!
Checkpoint reached.
Erg. Cloudy killed me, guys. Cloudy. She said sorry in the chat, but I'm not forgetting this. I'm not forgetting this nonsense.
Just 3 runners left. That's a game. Well done.
Well, Cloudy's like moving her paws. Okay, I'll tell you, Cloudy was moving her paws to show me something. Like she was moving her screen to type me something. And she's going to type in the chat what happened.
Taking off to Pirate Cove. Get ready.
Yeah, she said sound kill me this one.
Run.
Let's
Run.
go. Oh! I died next to Ugh! Say
Checkpoint
Yeah.
reached.
YT. Hi, Cloudy. How do you feel about that death? How do you feel about that death?
Checkpoint reached. Just 3 runners left.
Oh, Gino comes.
Checkpoint reached.
Oh, she come to the emoji sign, the death sign. I can feel you. We died right away. Okay, guys, this will probably be the last round. I don't know what I'm doing.
Game over.
Okay, guys, hold up. It's trying to show me something on Roblox. Okay, guys, she wanted to chat me. What she did, how she talks to me, is she chats me, but then erases all of it. What she said that you'll see in the next video.
Preparing for training course. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Run.
Are you kidding me? I guess the whole point of this mode is to spectate Cloudy. So we're going to Cloudy. Okay, guys, that was the last round. We kept dying. If you want to see part 2, then comment down below. So, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Remember, do everything I said to get that shout out. If this video gets 50 likes, we will do a face reveal of Cloudy. How did you feel about this video? Text me. Text me, Cloudy, on how you feel about this on how you on what you have to say to the viewers. She said good. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.